to you by the Haitian Times. We are here at NYU at the 6th Annual NAAHP Conference, where hundreds of Haitian professionals and students have gathered for career advancement, opportunities, and the empowerment of Haitians and the Haitian diaspora.
We come in and out of these conferences, but this year finally we want substantial evidence of our presence, of this dialogue, things that would actually occur because of dialogues that were initiated at this conference.
So far it's been nothing short of amazing. We've had power-packed workshops, we've had networking at an unsurmountable rate, and it's just been amazing things one after the other.
It's always a good meeting place. I feel like this is the professional meeting spot every year because you get to meet a lot of the Haitian professionals that are doing some amazing things throughout the country, and this is kind of like the meeting place. So I'm all about movements, things that move an agenda forward, and I just hopefully this is the year that when all these brilliant Haitian professionals from all these different sectors come together, we each can finally come with a plan on how we're going to utilize each of our great talents, each of the great resources we've been given, whether it's from education in this country, the workplaces we've had the opportunities to work, how we're going to take all of these great talents, come together and drive Haiti.